Hey, hello my friends. This is Sylvie Curry, Lady of Q, and I'm in my kitchen today. And this is actually New Year's Eve, and of course you know what happens with food in my house for New Year's Eve. We're going to make some soul food treats, and these are going to be some pieces of the hog that actually don't usually get eaten by most people. They are the pig's feet. I've got those, and I've got 3 packages of this, and the butcher cut them so it'll be easier. I don't have to worry about going through that bone. And then I've got some pork hocks, and that's a pork hock that once again the butcher has cut for me. Then the pig feet and the pork hock I'll probably combine and cook together in another pot. Some of the veggies that I'm going to put in here include, I've got jalapeno, I've got a bell pepper, and the bell pepper is mainly to go in some black-eyed peas that I have. I've got some onions, and these are 2 large onions. I've got 2 heads of garlic that I've peeled, bay leaf, and celery. Next going in are going to be my pig feet. And we'll parboil these to get any scum or impurities out of it. Here are the pig feet after parboiling. And they boiled for I put them in the water, but from the boil I'm counting the time, so there was about 20-25 minutes. I'm going to now add my pig feet to the pressure cooker, and I've got them going in some pork broth. And I may add a little bit more liquid to that. We'll see. Now going in are the celery, garlic, onion, a couple of bay leaves, and the jalapenos. That's about 1.5 jalapenos. About the equivalent of a half of a large onion and 3 stalks of celery. Because that broth in there already is seasoned, I'm going to add only maybe a teaspoon of salt and some pepper. I'll give that a little stir. I think we'll add a little bit more water. And we'll top it off. Make sure I have it on vent closed, and it's on for 40 minutes, and we'll come back and check that one. Pig feet are done. Nice and tender, looking good. I'm going to taste for seasonings. I did add about a 1/4 cup of Louisiana hot sauce, maybe a little bit more salt, and that'll round it out. But we're good to go. Here we got pig feet for holidays.